Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you this soft and easy summer look. I have been using the BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette. I'm starting with the color Groove on a Morphe R39 blending brush and I'm blending this color into my crease. Now I'm taking the color Banger on a Sigma E58 brush and I'm wetting the brush with some setting spray. Then I'm applying this color all over my lid. Now I'm taking the color Candy on my finger and I'm applying it to the two outer thirds of my lid. The reason why I laid down the color Banger first is because the color Candy isn't that opaque on its own, so it's good to have a base underneath. Now I'm going back in with the color Groove and I'm blending over the edges. Now I'm going in with the color Holo. It's a very light blue metallic shadow and I'm applying it to my lower lash line. I'm using a very dense brush and I have also wetted with some setting spray. For my inner corner highlight, I'm taking the color Disco on the Morphe M213 brush and I'm applying it to my inner corner and to my brow bone. Now I'm going to apply some eyeliner to my waterline and I'm taking the Nyx Faux Whites Eye pencil in the color Baby Powder. It's a very light blue color. Now I'm going to apply some mascara to my upper and my lower lashes and I'll be right back. Here you can see the finished look. I really like soft and colorful looks for summer. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please hit the like button. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you all so much for watching and have an awesome day.